I've been a medical oncologist for almost 15 years at this point, and every day I'm struck by the burden that cancer places mentally, physically, and spiritually, not only on the patients, but on their family members and their friends. And those burdens don't just last for the days and weeks after cancer is diagnosed, but for many people can last for years, even after therapy is completed. As part of their commitment to the holistic care of cancer patients, Dana-Farber has an integrative medicine center embedded within the medical oncology practice. The Leonard P. Zakim Center for Integrative Therapies was founded 15 years ago based on the vision of Leonard Zakim. Those of you who drive in from the North Shore are very familiar with the Zakim name after you pass across the bridge that bears his name. But in addition to being the head of the Anti-Defamation League in Boston, Leonard Zakim was also a patient at Dana-Farber. And during the years that he battled multiple myeloma, he found great strength in meditation, in acupuncture and massage, and felt that these things really helped him to cope with the symptoms and side effects of his cancer and its therapy, and also gave him a sense of control over his disease. When Lenny Zakim was treated at Dana-Farber, he needed to drive around Boston to find an acupuncturist, somebody who would help him with meditation, a person who was comfortable in providing massage to oncology patients. And he had the vision of bringing all of those services into Dana-Farber, where practitioners could work with his oncologist to make sure that he was getting the care that was right for him as a cancer patient. 15 years ago, Lenny, his friends and family, helped us to found the Leonard Zakim Center for Integrative Therapies. And in those 15 years, we have treated thousands of patients with acupuncture, with massage. We've given them and their families access to yoga and Tai Chi, instruction about nutrition, meditation. And during this time, through our work and the work of other institutions, the evidence has built showing that these types of programs help people. Yoga alleviates fatigue and improves quality of life. Acupuncture helps alleviate nausea and pain. I could go on and on about the research that's been done. But despite all of this evidence, these are not services that are covered by any insurance plan. And so philanthropy is what keeps the Zakim Center functioning. It's what allows us to help our patients get through their therapy. The Zakim Center has been incredibly fortunate to have many people such as yourselves who walk in the Jimmy Fund Walk in our name, who ride the Pan Mass Challenge, who hold fundraisers to raise money for our programs. There's a group of Lenny Zakim's friends and family members who've been for years hosting an event called Music Heals the Soul. Shameless plug, March 13th at the Intercontinental. That really raises the money that allows us to keep the lights on, to provide these services to our patients, to help them feel better through their therapy, to uphold Lenny Zakim's vision, and to uphold Dana-Farber's promise to take care of every patient, not just their disease, but themselves and their family, and get them through the cancer experience. Thank you.